Schrader is the world's largest OE supplier of tire pressure monitoring sensors, leading innovation in TPMS since the initial development of the system in 1985. The company continued innovating with the launch of the market's first programmable TPMS sensor in 2013, and later with the revolutionary single SKU sensor in 2015. Matching OE quality and performance standards, Schrader sensors go through extensive OE quality testing, including high-speed and extreme temperature tests. Schrader's OE replacement sensors are easy to install and ready out of the box. Thanks to over 50% OE market share, Schrader offers exact OE fit, form, and function for its OE replacement sensors, covering the majority of vehicles in North America. When your reputation rides on reliability, choose Schrader.